Welcome to Learn You and Me. You can use Alt plus Tab to navigate or move from one application to another application. Press Alt plus Tab. Keep pressing Tab till your desired application got selected. Then unhold Alt key to activate that application. Currently you can see this workbook is active. Now activating book 1. Now Alt plus Tab can also be used to visit between two recent activated applications or a workbook. Pressing Alt plus Tab, as you can see, shortcut keys for beginner activated. Again pressing Alt plus Tab, book 1 got activated. Now if I select book 2 and press Alt plus Tab, then we can visit between book 1 and book 2 only, since these two are recently activated. By pressing Ctrl Tab, you can visit between Excel workbooks only, not other applications. Here pressing Ctrl Tab, as you can see, each press activating another workbook. You can use Ctrl plus page down to visit worksheets from left to right in a workbook. Pressing Ctrl plus page down, as you can see, successive right worksheet getting activated after each press. You can use Ctrl plus page up to visit worksheets from right to left in a workbook. Pressing Ctrl plus page up, as you can see successive left worksheet getting activated after each press. You can select the entire column using Ctrl plus backspace. Pressing Ctrl plus backspace, as you can see column got selected. Now after selecting entire column, you can add new column by pressing Ctrl Shift plus key. As you can see, new column got added. Now you can delete this B column. Select entire column by pressing Ctrl plus backspace, then press Ctrl minus to delete column. You can select entire row using Shift backspace. Pressing Shift plus backspace, as you can see entire row got selected. Now after selecting entire row, you can add new row by pressing Ctrl Shift and plus key. As you can see, new row got added. Now you can delete this fifth row. Select entire row by pressing Shift plus backspace, then press Ctrl minus to delete row. You can press function key F2 to edit formula in a cell. To insert a new sheet, you can press Shift plus F11. Pressing Shift plus F11, as you can see, new sheet inserted or got created. To delete active sheet, press Alt EL keys in series. To insert comment in particular cell, you can use Shift plus F2. To auto-fit column width as per cell's content, select cell or range, then press Alt HOI keys in series. Now, if one is not compatible with directly writing inputs in formula, then one can press Ctrl plus A after writing function name to bring function argument pane. In function argument pane, you can input values as per description, then press OK to complete formula. You can use Ctrl plus B to make cell content bold and unbold, Ctrl plus U to make cell content underlined or to remove underline, Ctrl I to make cell content italic or to remove italic. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.